Hello guys. Okay, so I quickly wanted to just point out this is sort of Sneak Update 3, but I first of all wanted to apologize for not having videos out the past 2 weeks. Uh, I've just been incredibly busy in real life. It's coming up towards the end of the year now. I have an exam in June or something, so I'm revising for that. I've got coursework that's in, etc. So this has really taken a backseat recently. Uh, so to try and, because I felt like I was disappointing people that subscribed and started following the project and started following the tutorials I was making. So I decided to start waking up an hour or two earlier and trying to get some programming done in the morning. So I'm up at like 6:30 a.m. as opposed to 8 a.m. every morning now. Um, and one thing I quickly worked on just the other morning was this. This is going to be one of the puzzles in the game. Now, this is a quick example of it. This is, if you played the game Simon, let's bring up Chrome, let's see if we can find what I'm talking about. Uh, let's see, this one, yeah. So the one where you got like the four buttons and it's like blue, and blue, yellow, red, and you're like, oh yeah, okay. So what I tried to do is recreate that. These blue panels here at the minute are all blue, but they'll change and they'll flash. I just haven't got around to doing that bit yet. So I'm going to open up the blueprint and show you what's going on inside here, because I thought this was quite interesting. So it's a hell of a lot of branch true-false statements, and they all link down to this custom event that basically starts you back from the beginning if you fuck it up, and there's various resets in between stages. There's a restart in the minigame. Finished. When you finish, just basically prints hello to the screen at the minute, but it could open like one of these doors. It will open one of these doors. Detecting inputs, blah blah blah. I'll show you how it works. But yeah, the theory is that okay, you'd have these four spread out around the map. Let's say you had blue here, red here, yellow there, and green there, whatever. And you had like one of these things that's scanning, and you'd have to remember the colors from like a main control panel. You have to remember the colors, but you'd also have to like sneak past the things and try and trigger them off in order to open the door. So you've got to sneak, but you've got to remember what pattern you had as well. So you can't just sit there and press the buttons. So it's E to interact with them at the minute. There's no text that prompts that on the screen, but there will be. And I'm just going to bring up this on the other side on my other screen so I can remember the pattern. So at the minute it's right, left, center, right. So if we play it, we've got right. So that's stage 1 done, and then it will be right, left, that's stage 2 done, and then it was right, left, center left. Yeah, that's stage 3. So then it would be right, left, center right, and it printed hello up in the top there. So that's the Simon thing, and then now it basically deactivates itself. You can't play with it, but what, like this door would open. I should have actually hooked it up to the door for this demo, but I've come in from college and I thought, okay, I really need to explain to the viewers what the hell I'm doing. You know, I've not been doing anything. I really need to explain what's going on and show them that I am still active with this project. As for tutorials, I am trying to find the time. I do understand that a lot of people did quite enjoy a lot of my tutorials. One of the tutorials I really wanted to do, I just hadn't had the time, is this camera one, because I think this is really cool. Switches to the camera that's on the ground there, so you kind of detach from the player and you can see yourself. Now, I'd like to promise to get round to them, but I wouldn't want to break a promise. So what I'll do is I'll say, look, I'm just going to apologise that I haven't done it so far, and say it should be done at some point. I can't promise when. I don't want to promise when, but it will be done at some point. Because I want to get them out. I want the views. I want the subscribers. I want to help you guys out. Yeah, I'll cut it there before I start rambling on. Basically, the Simon thing's really cool. If you want a tutorial for this, leave this in the comment section that you want a tutorial for this, because I'd quite like to make a tutorial for the Simon thing. I'd also like to try and refine my way of doing it, because I think this is totally unnecessary. I've got E pressed in a fucking sequence going off and arse tons of checks, and I think if I put some thought into it, I could use less booleans and I could use less. I wouldn't have to use a sequence. I could do it all on one row basically. But this works, and it does actually allow for expansion. You would just need to add a pin and basically add a 5th stage, a 6th stage. You could basically add them on infinitely. Yeah, I won't go into that. I'll leave that for a tutorial if you guys want it. I just wanted to make a video saying the project's still ongoing. I'm just sorry. I just really haven't had the time to sit down and work with this at the minute. It's not my current focus in life. College and stuff is. So yeah, thanks for watching this. Do stay tuned. I will get more videos out in the future. Um, Leave me comments and messages. You know, they're really encouraging to getting stuff done. Like if you guys really want to see a Simon tutorial, tell me. I'll make time to do it. But other than that, yeah. Again, rambling on. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.